Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are good. Students, our today's topic is quantiles for ungrouped data. What is quantile? Basically, it tells us about the particular part of the data set. Students, there are some special quantiles like quartile, decile and percentile, which divide the data into fourth, tenth and hundredth equal part. If you remember that the median divides the data into two equal parts and median represents the central value. Same as quartile divide the data into four equal part. Decile divides the data into 10 equal part and percentile divides the data into 100 equal part. Students, there is no particular formula to find out the quantiles. There is one trick to generate the formula by yourself. What is that? Let's suppose you have to find out the value of Q1. So n plus 1 is always constant, and the denominator always change in quartile, percentile and decile. As it is Q means quartile, so divided by 4. So Q1 equals to n plus 1 upon fourth observation. Let's suppose Q2. This Q2 means 2 multiplied by n plus 1 upon fourth observation. Let's suppose you have to find out the formula of D3. Now D3 means 3 multiplied by n plus 1, that is constant, divided by 10, because decile represent the data divides into 10 equal parts. Now P92. 92 multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 100 observation, because percentile divides the data into 10 equal parts. Let's suppose you have to find out or generate the formula of D7. So it will be 7 into n plus 1 upon 10 observation. Okay students, now one important point that quartile 2, median, D5 and 950, they all are equal to each other. Let's suppose we have the data that is 17, 19, 12, 9, 7, 15 and 11, and you have to find out Q3. The formula is 3 into n plus 1 upon fourth observation. A student, always remember, whenever you have to find out the median or quantiles, you need to arrange the data into ascending order. So the arrangement of the data is 7, 9, 11, 12, 15, 17 and 19. So here n equals to 7. So we put in the formula 3 multiplied by 7 plus 1 upon fourth observation. So it will be 3 into 8 upon fourth observation. 8 divided by 4, it is 2, and 2 multiplied by 3, it is 6th observation, and the 6th observation will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 is the 17. So Q3 equals to 17. Now let's suppose for the same data you are going to find out Q1. Q1 equals to n plus 1 upon fourth observation. So arrange the data and put the value of n equals to 7 in the formula, that is 7 plus 1 upon fourth observation. So it will be 8 upon fourth observation. 8 divided by 4, it is second observation. Now pick up the second observation and it will be 9. So Q1 equals to 9. Now students, let's suppose the data will be the same and you are going to find out P47. So P47 equals to 47 into n plus 1 upon 100 observation. Then arrange the data, put the value of n equals to 7. N equals to 7 means number of observation in the data, that is 7. Okay, now we have 47 multiplied by 8 upon 100 observation, it will be 3 upon 3.76 observation. Now student, this is important point to calculate this step. What is it? 3 means third value or third observation. Break this 0.76 and after that just focus. 3.76 lies between which two whole number? It lies between fourth observation subtract third observation. So we have third observation plus 0.76 into fourth observation plus minus third observation. It will be, third observation will be 1, 2, 3, 11 plus 0.76. Fourth observation is 12 minus third observation is 11. When you solve it, it will be equals to 11.76. Okay students, let's suppose we have another data and you have to find out D6. D6 means 6 into n plus 1 upon 10th observation. So we have arranged the data, and then 7 plus 1 means 8 multiplied by 6 upon 10th observation. The value is 4 upon 8 observation. Now 4 upon 8 means again 4th observation. Pick up the 4th observation plus break this decimal part 0.8, and 4.8 lies between 5th observation minus 4th observation. So it will be 4th observation plus 0.8, 5th observation minus 4th observation. 4th observation we have here 12, 1 2 3 12, then 0.8, 15 minus 12, 15, 5th observation is 15 and minus 4th observation is 12. Then we have 12 plus 2.4, that is 14.4. Okay students, till the next video, you all take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.